In this short video, we're going to discuss Trimble File Flipper, and we're going to be converting an SVD and SVL for use in the Earthworks system. So here on our desktop is where I prefer to copy and paste my files. That way I can find them easily. So once I have located my files, I'm going to open up Trimble File Flipper. Go ahead and move the box around anywhere you need to or resize it. So we're going to go to Browse. We're going to look in our desktop. So on the left side, I'm going to scroll up and find Desktop. And I am going to locate my files. I'm going to click one SVD, then I'm going to hit Control and tap the SVD and SVL together and hit Open. Make sure there's a check in each of the boxes and hit Continue. We're going to be selecting Earthworks. Is this a new project? We're going to select Yes, and we're going to name the project. Here in a minute, we're going to go back and we're going to add a design to this existing project. We'll hit Accept. Now it wants to know the project library location. Where are we going to store it? So we're going to just store this out here on our desktop. Now we'll hit Select Folder. GPS, we are going to be converting for GPS, and we are looking for our .cal, so we'll select local site calibration, and that is stored on our desktop. We're going to click Desktop, scroll down, find that CAL file, there it is, hit Open. We are not using a geoid since we're using a local site cal. This is a brief summary. Shows us our SVD, SVL, and our cal. We hit Save. Now our project library folder has been created on our desktop, so we can hit Done. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to browse, and we're going to add a design to our already created project library. So we're going to look on our desktop. That's where our files are located. So we're going to add the two drainage files. We'll hit Open. Put a check in both boxes. Hit Continue. Use for Earthworks. No for new project. Now we need to locate where that existing project lives. So we saved it on our desktop. Project Library. Projects. And then we're just going to click once. K's Crossing is the name of the project. Here we have our summary. We hit Save, and we are done. So that is it. Thank you for watching.
Like this video? Give it a thumbs up. For more content like this, click subscribe for instant access to updates and new videos. Also, check the description for links to additional support files and content. And as always, thanks for watching.